Let's see. I think I got it. Everybody always is asking me how I get my bun on the top of my head. So I was going to do a quick little video to show you. I don't know if you've seen these they got them at Dollar Tree. They got them for $1 at Dollar Tree, but you can buy them at some of the drugstores for $6 or $7. It's just a little net ball. But anyway, I just take my hair. Oh, that light's in the way. Let me turn it off. My granddaughter's got a tent built over there. It's taking up the whole room, but I'm not going to take it down because she sits in it every day. It's her own private relaxing place, I guess. But anyway, you take your hair and you pull it up in a ponytail. I don't know if you can see this. I'm just doing a straight ponytail like this. And that's it. We got a ponytail. And then I got this bracelet. It looks like a bracelet, but actually it's a ponytail holder. You take the ponytail off. It's just silver. If you want to keep an extra one with you, you can carry that. Okay, we got our ponytail. You take this little donut and you pull your hair through it. And then you just flip your hair around it like that. You can do it real tight or loose, however you want it. And they usually come with like 4 bobby pins that are open. Yeah, it's all stuck together, but that are open like this. Now, you can use those if you want, but you roll and stick a bobby pin in. I go around in one direction. You just keep doing that. Yeah, I'm trying to go fast and I'm just messing it up. But roll it, stick it in, roll it. And you can get by with 4 bobby pins, but I like to use more because I like it tight in there. But you go around the circle of the bun thing. And if your hair is longer, you kind of got to tuck it through and roll it around like that. And there we go. See, I've got hair flipping up here. And I love wearing my hair in a bun. It stays out of my eyes. You can fix them up into fancy or casual. You can make it looser if you'd like, however you like your buns. But there you go. It doesn't take long. We got it. And you can, if you want to get fancy, you can put a like a band around it or something, you know, however you want. I've taken beads, I've taken barrettes, I've sprayed it with glitter. There's all kinds of things you can do. But, oh my goodness. Be patient with me. I'm just trying to make these videos. I'm thinking about making a YouTube channel of them. Things that I do during the day and funny, you know, grandkids videos or friend videos or myself videos. But anyway, there is the bun. If you like it slicked, which I do, let me take my rings off. I'll take some, either this leave-in conditioner or they got this smooth operator stuff. I put it on and I kind of rub it on there like that to make it real smooth. And I got some curly little hairs in the back. And I pull it up. And I'm done. So there is your bun. And it takes less than 5 minutes. And if you want to get real dressed up, you can do it. anything, casual, dressy, whatever. But that's how you make a bun. And I know my cousin's wife, I seen her years ago use a sock. Maybe she'll see this video and show us how to roll your hair with a sock. I don't know if she did a bun or curled it, but there you go. There's your bun.